Bluehost and Hostinger are top picks, but they differ in pricing and performance. In this video, I will compare hosting speed, ease of use, and cost, so stick around if you're launching your first site or if you just want more information about these two. So let's begin with Bluehost. And Bluehost is launched in 2003 in the USA and is officially recommended by WordPress and offers one-click installs and live chat support. On the other hand, Hostinger is started in 2004 in Lithuania and is known for its speed, affordability, and global data centers. Let's summarize this. Bluehost is trusted and Hostinger is efficient. And what about the pricing and the cost? Let's have a look at this. So Bluehost is starting between $3 per month and $13 per month with promo pricing, and renewal rates are higher. And Hostinger is starting at around $2 or $3 per month, and plans are staying low even after renewal. So Hostinger is cheaper overall. And now let's take a look at the features and the tools. So Bluehost has cPanel, free domain, SSL, email, and 24/7 support, and Hostinger has hPanel, free SSL, email, weekly backups, and is optimized for performance. So I would say that Hostinger wins on value and Bluehost has stronger branding. And now let's make a final verdict between these two. And I would say use Bluehost if you want trusted WordPress hosting and live support, and use Hostinger if you want speed, value, and affordable global hosting. So both will get the job done for you, so choose based on budget and speed needs. So let me know in the comments down below which of these two you like the most and which of these two you're planning on using. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.